If you're looking for top-notch pruning shears that combine durability with comfort, the LLX-JM Professional Titanium Pruning Shears might just be what you need. These premium bypass pruning shears are built to handle a variety of gardening tasks with ease, making them a versatile addition to your gardening toolkit. The shears are crafted from SK5 hard alloy steel and treated with high-temperature quenching, ensuring they are sharp and resistant to wear. This means you'll experience clean cuts every time, whether you're trimming bonsai branches, cutting flower stems, or tackling other gardening chores. The blades are further enhanced with a titanium coating, which adds an extra layer of toughness and corrosion resistance. One of the standout features of these shears is their ergonomic design. The handles are specifically designed to reduce the pressure on your hands, making extended use more comfortable. They also come with anti-slip grips, ensuring that you maintain control even when working in wet conditions. This ergonomic approach is particularly beneficial for anyone who spends a lot of time gardening or has issues with hand fatigue. Included with the shears are garden gloves made of soft, comfortable cotton cloth. These gloves provide excellent protection for your palms, allowing you to work with confidence and reducing the risk of cuts or scrapes. Overall, the LLX-JM Professional Titanium Pruning Shears offer a blend of durability, comfort, and precision that is hard to beat. They are designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. If you encounter any issues or have concerns, the brand stands by its product with a satisfaction assurance guarantee, so you can purchase with peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.